Well, hello, welcome to Tablescapes and Decor by Candy. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Well, today I am going to be sharing with you a mini home tour. Now, I'm starting here at my front door and I'm showing you the beautiful fall wreath that I hung on my door for fall. And then this is what you see when you enter my home. Now, this is a 1960 fixer-upper that I purchased and completely renovated. Now, the rooms are a little bit smaller than some of the newer, more modern homes, but you know what? They're nice and cozy. And this is what you see when you enter the living room. Now, what I did for fall so far is I've added a few pops of color. This year I'm working with terracotta as my fall color. I've also added some beautiful fall pillows that I picked up at Home Goods. Now here's a close-up of the coffee table here. Now my coffee and end tables are thrifted tables that I made over. And here you see that I've got several things. Might be a little busy for some people, but I'm probably more of a maximalist, so I do like little bits of decor around me. And you can see I've added a fall pick or two and a candle, some pumpkins, and a couple of ginger jars that I love. I actually have 3 of those. Now here in this corner, which would be when you enter the home, it would be off to the far left or right, depending on which way you're facing. In the corner here, you'll see that I've added a few fall picks to a vase that was already there, and basically a few fall picks on the end table there. And now as you pan around again to the right, that's another view of the living room. Now this is Tablescapes and Decor by Candy, so I'm definitely going to be taking you in and showing you my fall tablescape. So again, as I said, terracotta is my fall color that I've added to my home for this season. So here you see I've got some terracotta napkins, terracotta pillows in the chairs, and again another one of those ginger jars that I have in the living room. This is the larger of the 3, and I'm using that as my centerpiece. So I've added some fall pumpkins. I'm working with my Victoria stemware and a tea set that I purchased from Home Goods some time ago, from Home Goods rather. And there you see I have the layered plates, chargers, etc. Most of those things came from Home Goods. Again, I really like how it turned out, but let me know what you think about this tablescape. Now, obviously, this is more of a glam tablescape, but I do love other types of decor. You might see a little mix of farmhouse and some other styles in my home, but overall I'd say this is a glam tablescape, and I think I like it, but let me know what you think. And there's another view of the tablescape. There you see the pumpkin cups. I picked those up from the at-home store, I believe, but everything else came from Home Goods. And there I'm just showing you a still shot of the tablescape. And then here in a minute, we're going to look at some other fall decor. So I always love to do a tea service or a serving station on my channel. So I thought I would add one to this video just as another, piece that you can do for another idea rather that you can use for your fall decor. So maybe you have a place in your dining room or in your kitchen where you want to set this up, and you'll see that I've added greenery to each side to kind of balance everything out. A little bit of greenery in the back. I've got some chargers up against the wall to give the backdrop for the setting. There you see I am using, this is one of my favorite tea services that I have with the matching cups. And there I've got my plates on top. Now, most everything that you see in this video came from Home Goods in terms of the teacups, the teapot, etc. Excuse me, the florals, The in the back came from Home Goods and Marshalls. I think that the ones on the side came from Marshalls. The other florals came from Home Goods, and the picks themselves actually came from Joann Fabrics. So there's another view, again, using that same color scheme, the terracotta with the gold, and of course white. And that's kind of been what I've been going with throughout my home for the fall season. Now, I have some videos coming up where I'm going to show you what I did in my bedroom, as well as what I did with the main floor bathroom. And I'm also going to do another exterior video because I've updated my patio again for fall and kind of changed up the color scheme a little bit. But those videos will be coming up very soon. So again, just another shot or two of this fall tea station. Now let me know what you think. Do you like this? Would you do this in your home? I'd love to hear from you. There's a still shot of the fall tea service, and now we'll just kind of take a look around again at the living room. Again, this is what you see when you come in the front door. Not a very large living room, but you know what? I like it. It's nice and cozy, and it works for us. And maybe it is large. I don't know. Just depends on what your idea of large would be, right? There's a close-up of the pillows that I added this year. Those again came from Home Goods. We'll look again here at the far corner of the living room that goes to the second floor. And I'm going to have to show you some videos of my second floor. We've got another bedroom up there, a TV room. There's a bathroom up there. I just don't show it very often. And here's another angle of the living room with a little cozy corner there. And now we're back again at the tablescape. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Kind of take a look around here in a second. I think I'll show you just a little bit of my kitchen. There's another close-up of the tea service. Now, I'll probably leave my table like this for the entire fall season. But you'll see me do a few tablescapes, throughout the month of September and probably the beginning of October. I'll start showing some winter tablescapes. But again, I thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.